This is Kenny the Handyman here, and today I'd like to show you how to light a gas fireplace. Now before we do this, we're going to be lighting the pilot light, but there's a couple of safety things you want to consider first. First, you always want to check the fireplace chimney flue, and this allows the poisonous exhaust to be exhausted to the flue. And in this case it is open. You can see it's open here. I've got the flashlight shining up there, so that's open. The next thing you want to be careful with is whenever you're dealing with gas, you want to be careful about flare-ups when you first ignite the gas. I mean, it could flare up and you don't want to get your face or hands singed by the flame. So just be mindful of that and kind of be careful when you light it. One of the first steps you're going to do is you want to make sure that the gas is turned on. And with all fireplaces, there should be a shutoff, which would be, it looks something like that. And then you have a fireplace shutoff key. So you're going to insert the key into the shutoff and turn it counterclockwise to open it. So in this case, the gas was shut off. So I'm just going to be turning this until it's fully open. And looks like it's taken quite a few turns to get the gas turned on. There, now it should be fully open. So to light the pilot light, we're going to depress the pilot light ignition switch valve in while we light the pilot light with the lighter here. Okay, I've got that lit, and now the pilot light is lit, but you have to keep this valve depressed for about 30 seconds. And the reason for that is the pilot light has a sensor in there, like a thermocouple, that has to heat up. And that's a safety valve to make sure that the fireplace never gets lit without the fireplace, or that no gas can get through unless the pilot light is lit to ignite the flame. Otherwise your house would fill with gas. So after you've held it down for a good 30 seconds, we're going to be able to let this go, and the pilot light should remain lit, which it has. It's still lit, and you're good to go now. At this point you can just turn it on, and our flame is on and our fireplace is working just properly. I hope that helps. Here's a more modern gas fireplace pilot valve. And this one here, they all pretty much work the same. So you can't push this down until you rotate it to the right location. Then you can actually depress it. Then you're going to want to hold that for 30 seconds in place after you get the pilot light lit. And then you can let go of it, and then the pilot light should stay lit. So there are various types of pilot igniter switches, and I just wanted to show you a second one.